So are you one of the people that think the only way to make money on Facebook is by being monetized or by creating content? Do you know that there are many ways you can make money from Facebook even if you are not monetized or you don't create content? So in this video, I'll be sharing with you 10 ways by which you can make money on Facebook. There are different people who still want to learn about making money online, but they don't know the different ways they can make money on Facebook. So you can share this video to other people so that they can also see and understand the different ways they can make money on Facebook even when they don't create content or they don't have a monetized page. So my name is Ernest Tar. Now let's continue.
So I'm going to share with you in details the different ways you can make money on Facebook so that you don't think that okay, you must have a monetized Facebook page or that you must be a content creator for you to make money on Facebook. So the 10 different ways you can make money on Facebook is through Facebook in-stream ads, affiliate marketing, selling of products or services, you sponsored posts, Facebook stars, you can monetizing your Facebook groups through crowdfunding and donations. You can make money on Facebook through Facebook gamings, through instant articles. You can make money by consulting and coaching. Let's begin to look at each of these ways of making money on Facebook, whether you are a content creator, you are a business owner, a marketer. There are various strategies that you can explore at Facebook ad breaks, what we call in-stream ads. Now, you earn money by enabling ads on your video content. The requirement here is that you must have a minimum of 10,000 followers to start making money on in-stream ads. You must have up to 600,000 minutes of your content viewed, and you must have a minimum of 5 active videos for you to start making money using in-stream ads. For you to achieve this, you have to focus on creating engaging content. Watching a video on Facebook, you notice that an ad pops up on the video you are watching. Now, this ad belongs to a different company, not the content creator. That ad to be displayed in that video, the company that has the ad is going to pay the video owner or the content creator. So as a viewer, we have to wait for the ad to play for a number of seconds and decide to skip the ad, or if you are interested in what the ad is talking about, you will stay and view the ad to the end, and you may decide to take an action by clicking on it and then following it, any action at all. So these ads that play are what we call in-stream ads. That is what we mean by making money on Facebook using ad breaks or in-stream ad. The second way you can make money on Facebook is by using affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a process or a system whereby you promote products and services owned by a different company to earn commission through affiliate link. Before you make money using affiliate marketing, you have to register with the affiliate program of a particular company. You will now promote their products and services. Then if your followers or your audience find value in the product you promote or the service you promote and decide to take an action, maybe purchase the product or the service, and they use your affiliate link, a commission will be paid to you by the company you are promoting their product or services. So you have to share product reviews, do tutorials and promotions with affiliate links, or create content around these products so that your audience or other people can purchase this product using your affiliate links, and then you will now earn a commission. The third way you can make money on Facebook is by selling products or services. Facebook Marketplace is one of the places that you can sell your products and services directly to your buyers. As a content creator or a Facebook user, you can sell products or services on Facebook Marketplace. Have purchased some products on Facebook Marketplace. You can also make money by selling products or services by creating Facebook shop. You can set up an online store on Facebook. This is like setting up a shop, an online shop that is more like an e-commerce store. So once you have the store, you can begin to sell your product and services. Your customers will come there and purchase this product or service, and then they pay money to you through any means that you provide on the store. You can also do direct sales by promoting your business or service within your Facebook page or other pages or groups. The fourth way of making money on Facebook is using sponsored posts. You get paid by brands to promote their product or service. Now, a brand or a company can reach out to you as a content creator based on the niche you are in, the number of followers you have, the brand you represent. Then you ask you to, promote a product for them by making an advert or creating a content about that product. So you discuss with them the terms of payment, the amount they are supposed to pay you, and then you go out to create the content or promote the product. Now you have to build a strong personal or business brand and seek sponsorship. Sponsors can also reach to you. The fifth way by which you can make money on Facebook is using Facebook stars. You earn money from viewers who send stars during live stream. As a content creator, when you are doing your live streams and some of your fans decide to contribute to what you are doing or support you, they can now purchase Facebook stars, and Facebook will pay you in turn for the number of stars that have been purchased by your fans. You have to be eligible for the Facebook live stream. If you're not eligible, then you cannot afford to make money using Facebook stars. Another way of making money on Facebook is using Facebook groups. You can make money on Facebook group through paid membership. You can have a group as a professional, as a service provider, or as a consultant. Anybody who wants to have access to that group will pay to become a member. So paid membership to a group that you own and to provide services or sell products is a way of making money through Facebook. You can also sell products on your Facebook groups or promote affiliate links within your Facebook group. Another means or way you can make money on Facebook is through crowdfundings and donation. You can make money for personal causes or charities. You can also make money from donations during live videos. So, as a content creator, as a user of Facebook, you can decide to solicit for funds from your fans, from followers, and they can support you based on the cause telling them you need a fund for. Many people are ready to support. They can support you if they know that what you are soliciting for support is actually verifiable and genuine. So that is what we talk about, crowdfunding and donation as a means of making money on Facebook. The eighth way of making money on Facebook we are going to be discussing in this video is Facebook gaming. You can stream gameplay and earn through fan support, ads, or sponsorship. There are some Facebook users that good gamers. So as you are playing your game, you are streaming it, and your fans, can support you because of the followers you have, the audience you have. Ads can be placed by companies on your page, and then you will begin to make money. Now you can also have sponsors. Companies can sponsor, post the games you play. So as a gamer, you can make money on Facebook using Facebook games. You have to build a community of followers who watch your gaming videos. The ninth way you can make money as a Facebook user and content creator is Facebook instant articles. Publishers can monetize by showing ads in instant articles. Instant articles is a place where you publish your articles, and once you publish your articles, ads can be placed on the articles and you will earn money. So as a Facebook content creator, you may have your page and is dedicated to publishing of articles. You can be a blogger or a writer, and you publish your content on your page or instant article, and ads can be published on it. These ads, that are published on your content, you are paid for. So you have to create high quality shareable content for you to make money using Facebook instant article. The ninth or 10th way you can make money on Facebook is by consulting and coaching. You can offer consulting or coaching services. You may be a content creator who is so good at content creation, and you decide to teach that content creation skills. You may be a graphic designer and you want to teach graphic design. You may be a web developer and web designer and you want to teach this skill. You can be a teacher and you want to teach these people. Just like I am doing a tutorial here, I can decide to teach you how to do a tutorial like this. I can do this online. I can also do it offline. And by the time I'm doing this, of course, people pay me for what the service I render. So consulting and coaching is more of a service, and this is not limited to content creators and Facebook users who have monetized pages. This is open to everybody. So far as you have a skill that you can sell out to clients, you can make money. But be ensured that you attract clients by building authority in your niche so that people can reference you and people can always reach out to you through references. So these are the 10 ways you can make money on Facebook. Facebook provides different ways to monetize different opportunities by users. So just identify the method that aligns with your skill and your followers or your audience. Then start implementing this strategy to build and grow your revenue on Facebook. Before you know, you are making money on Facebook. As a recap, now 10 different ways we have talked about. We have talked about Facebook ads, what we call in-stream ads. We discuss affiliate marketing. We explain what affiliate marketing is. A system whereby you register for an affiliate program, you promote products and services and earn commission through affiliate link of the affiliate program. You can sell products or services directly to local buyers using Facebook Marketplace, Facebook Shops. You can do direct sales also by promoting your product in your page or on pages and groups. You can also, make money using sponsored posts where organizations or companies reach out to you to promote their products or their services and they pay you for promoting their product or service. You can also make money on Facebook by Facebook stars, where your fans support you by purchasing Facebook stars and then you earn money with it. You can also make money by monetizing your Facebook groups. Now, this group, people pay to become members because of the skill you have. You can sell products and services. You can also promote affiliate links on your Facebook group. You can also make money through crowdfundings and donations. You can also make money using Facebook gaming. Those who are professional gamers will understand this better. You can also make money using Facebook instant articles by publishing and ads are placed on your articles. The last but not the least we have talked about is consulting and coaching. This is open to all Facebook users, provided you have a skill that attracts other people. You have to build that authority for people to recognize you on Facebook and reach out to you for consulting and coaching. So thank you for staying in this video. I hope this video is useful to you. If this video is useful to you, please don't forget to share this video, comment, like it, and also subscribe to my channel. Click the notification button so that anytime I post a video like this, you will be the first to be notified. Don't forget to also follow my Facebook page, Better Digitech. Thank you. My name is Ernest Tar.